Let me show you how we can enter and exit the Fastboot mode on POCO F8 Pro and POCO F8 Ultra. So in this case, in order to go to the Fastboot mode, we will reboot our phone. So I'm gonna use the power button and volume up button at the same time, just like that, and then I'm gonna slide it down over here to reboot. And you will see this circle. Once it disappears, you want to press and hold volume down button. So wait for the circle to disappear. There we go. Now we're gonna press and hold volume down, and we need to keep holding it until we go to the Fastboot mode. So you will see POCO, and then after a second, or maybe even less, we have Fastboot. So this is how we can enter the Fastboot mode. Now if you want to exit it, what you can do is you can simply press and hold the power button, and just keep holding until the Fastboot text disappears from the screen. Usually it takes maybe 10, maybe 12 seconds, something like that. But you have to just simply patiently wait. There we go, the text is gone, so I can release the power button, and the phone will restart and go back into the normal mode after that. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.